ꯊꯦꯡꯉꯦ ꯄꯨꯡ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯗ꯭ꯌꯨꯇꯤꯗ ꯂꯦꯞꯄꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯄ ꯂꯥꯏꯚꯅꯦ ꯀꯅꯥ ꯑꯣꯟꯂꯥꯏꯟꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ ꯌꯥꯠꯅꯣ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯗ꯭ꯌꯨꯇꯤꯗ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯀꯅꯥꯅꯣ ꯑꯣꯟꯂꯥꯏꯟꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯤ ꯀꯅꯥꯅꯣ ꯇꯣꯞ ꯐꯦꯟꯁ ꯀꯅꯥ ꯇꯨꯝꯅꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯒꯦ ꯀꯅꯥꯝ ꯆꯪꯉꯛꯇꯦ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯣ ꯅꯨꯡꯗꯥꯡꯁꯤ ꯀꯌꯥꯝ ꯏꯪꯉꯤꯅꯣ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯣ ꯁꯤꯗꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯃꯤꯁꯦ ꯃꯤꯆꯤꯡ ꯃꯤꯔꯥꯎ ꯈꯣꯜ ꯑꯃꯐꯥꯎ ꯇꯥꯗꯦ ꯏꯍꯥꯡ ꯍꯥꯡꯉꯗꯅ ꯂꯝꯕꯤꯒꯁꯦ ꯍꯜꯂꯣ ꯀꯤꯖꯗ꯭ꯔꯣ
Welcome back to Stars Recap, your go-to channel for movie explanations and anime recaps that break down the most thrilling stories from around the world. Today, we're diving into the live-action anime movie Assassination Classroom Explained. This Japanese sci-fi action comedy is a fan favorite, mixing high school drama with wild, over-the-top action. The story begins when a mysterious alien creature destroys most of the moon and threatens to wipe out Earth within a year. But instead of going full villain, he decides to become a high school teacher. Now, a class of misfit students, armed with weapons and determination, must take him down before time runs out. Get ready for Assassination Classroom.
ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯁꯕꯁꯀ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯕꯔꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯀꯅꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯇ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯦ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯇꯨꯝꯅꯈ꯭ꯔ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯦ ꯊꯦꯡꯁꯨ ꯊꯦꯡꯉꯦ ꯄꯨꯡ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯃꯈꯥꯏ ꯇꯥꯔꯕ ꯎꯄꯥꯏ ꯂꯩꯇꯕꯩ ꯍꯧꯒꯠꯂꯤꯅꯤ ꯂꯝꯕꯤꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯆꯤꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯃꯤꯒ ꯑꯝꯐꯥꯎ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯑꯍꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯅꯥ ꯂꯩ ꯍꯣꯏ ꯉꯥꯏꯍꯥꯛ ꯂꯩ ꯄꯨꯡꯈꯥꯏ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯨꯡ ꯑꯃꯃꯨꯛꯀ ꯂꯩꯔꯗꯤ ꯃꯤ ꯈꯔ ꯋꯥꯛꯀꯤꯡ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯍꯧꯅꯔꯛꯑꯅꯤ ꯋꯥꯛꯀꯤꯡ ꯆꯠꯄꯗꯤ ꯍꯧꯅꯔꯛꯑꯅꯤ ꯄꯨꯡ ꯑꯍꯨꯝ ꯃꯈꯥꯏꯃꯨꯛ ꯂꯩꯔꯗꯤ ꯋꯥꯛꯀꯤꯡ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯍꯧꯅꯔꯛꯑꯅꯤ ꯀꯅꯥꯅꯣ ꯍꯩꯒꯠꯂꯤꯁꯦ ꯃꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯝꯐꯥꯎ ꯂꯩꯇꯦꯗ ꯊꯦꯡꯖꯤꯜꯂꯒꯦ ꯂꯥꯏꯚꯁꯦ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯜꯂꯒꯦ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯒꯗꯕ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯇꯨꯝꯅꯈ꯭ꯔ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯦ